Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Trisha. Today, Active Fun Club. Today I'm going to teach you how to make elastic bracelets out of rubber bands. So, this is what they should turn out as. I'm going to wear it right now. And we're going to be making fishtail bracelets. So, fishtail elastic bracelets. So let's get started. So the things you will need for making fishtail elastic bracelets are, of course, rubber bands that are elastics. These are dazzles. You'll need a hook to make them. You can use a C-clip, S-clip, or any kind of hook. I'm just using an S-clip. And if you want, you can get a charm from somewhere. A backpack charm can work too. And then just put in the rubber band. So let's get started. How to make fishtail rubber bands bracelets. So now I got all my multicolored rubber bands out. So now I'm going to teach you how to make the fishtail bracelet. So you're going to take your first color, you only need 2 colors, and you're going to twist it onto your fingers, like this. Then you're going to take your next color, and you're going to put it on normally like this. Just make some room for the next color, like this. Then you're going to take your bottom color and put it on normally again, like your middle color, like this. Then you're gonna take your bottom color and you're gonna take one side of it, and put it on top of your top color, like this. Then you're gonna pull your next color onto the bottom, so you have more room to put your top color, like this. And then you're going to take your bottom color. So now you can see that it's more turning as a fishtail, like this. And this is also a fishtail. So now you can just go ahead and do how much rubber band you want as your length as your bracelet. So I'm going to be doing more right now. So this is how far my bracelet's looking as. I'm going to continue the process. Like this, and from the inside of my fingers, it's all outside, so there's nothing inside basically, but it will still work even if you do it inside. So I've been doing this for a little bit of time, and this is how it turned out so far, and I'm gonna continue the progress. So far, and now I'm going to be teaching you how to add the hook. So my dad's going to be doing that because I do not know how to add the hook. So Dad, come on and add the hook. And first you should stretch it before you do it. My bands are dazzle bands, so they get bigger when you stretch them. So Daddy, come. Can you please add the hook, Dad? This is the open side and this is the closed side. So now my dad's going to be telling you how to add the hook. Dad, tell them. So first you're going to put the one of the sides of the hook on this end, that you did first, like that. And stretch it. Then you're going to take it off. Then you're going to have 2 extras left. You're going to have some extras, and you're going to take all of them and put them on the hook. So you can take one by one and put them on the hook. Put it through. Ta-da. And then you're going to connect it with a hook over there. With those 2 or 4. And there you go. This is your rainbow loom, which is a toy that we just made right now. This is your rubber band fishtail bracelet. Like, subscribe, and share, please. And if you have any comments about this, how to make this even better, and you just can't understand, please comment down below, and I will be telling you in the comments. I'll be giving you the instructions in the comments, and I'll be giving you a video to make sure you know. Bye!